This sleek black carbon brush holder is your washing machine's secret to lasting performance. Crafted from durable, heat-resistant plastic with precision metal components, its compact, rectangular design fits perfectly into Beko motors. Measuring just 25.5 by 12.3 by 5 millimeters. This replacement part ensures smooth electrical contact between brushes and commutator, preventing motor failure and extending your appliance's life. Simple to install and built for reliability, it keeps your laundry days running smoothly without costly repairs. Scan the QR code in the upper right corner to check pricing and delivery options for your Beko WM5000S or WM5000W model. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more essential appliance maintenance tips and smart home solutions. Key specifications include compatible part numbers 371, 201, 205.